Welcome to our Bold Inventor process page. This is a landing page going through the whole patent process. Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney. I'm glad you made it here. This is how you're going to learn all the little hoops. If you're one of those types of people that want to know the whole thing up front, there it is. Check it out. And it can be a little daunting looking at all the different steps. I think there's 12 total in this specific diagram. But you can get a lot from it, and you should ask questions about each of those steps of your patent attorney here at Bold to make sure you further understand what it means. Each of those points where you make decisions, the points where you decide to take a certain path, whether it's utility or design, provisional, non-provisional, domestic or international filing. Lots of important questions, and what do you do with your invention and how to make it profitable, how to make it something that will actually end up in the market making you money. So if you have any questions on this diagram or our firm in general, please book a free discovery call. Get started on this process. We're here to help. Take care, everybody. Go big, go bold.